Google subscription, but I don't know. I found this in YouTube, but I don't have idea why I order it. I mean, I haven't tried them before. Anyway, I will send them the link so that I will show them that I'm doing a YouTube video. Anyway, this is not sponsored. Okay, FedEx send this to me. Well, how it focus? Why it's so bright? Yeah, right there. Okay, now I open it. I believe this is like a pre-cook again. But it's easy that you don't have to cook, but I prefer like the previous company sent me before. Oh, it's a pre-cook again. Oh no, I have to cook it. This is, yeah, I like it. I have the chicken marsala. And I have salsa verde spinach enchilada. And I have the Caribbean shrimp random. Yeah, I like this because I cook it by myself. And this is the pounder gobble. Share the gobble love. I'm gonna share this in Instagram. And comes with the give me a card. And what is that? And you wrap it really well, very well with aluminum foil. See that? Yeah, this is what I like, that I make it by myself. This is the enchilada. This is the chicken marsala. Nam nam nam. And this is the 3 cheese rivoli. Oh, whoa. And I don't know, there's a cookie too. Oh, pre-dessert. Look, I have to bake the cookies. Pre-dessert. And this separate the meat. This is my unboxing. Yeah, they give me a free 2 cookies. Oh my goodness, my husband love it. I think I'm gonna cook it right away. Yeah, pre-dessert. I'm gonna like it. I actually unsubscribe to them so that it doesn't mean that you don't like them. And I mean, I unsubscribe because I don't want them to send me again the next week. So I can easily subscribe then again if this is good. Here is it, gobble. I think I can put the description below, and because if I recommend to a friend, so you have, I think, a discount. So don't forget to share. So they asked me to share this. Gets free box. The winner gets a free box. I wish he liked the shrimp. What do you call it? Caribbean shrimp random. Oh, there's a rice on it. Well, if he don't like, then I have to. What is shrimp random? Oh, which one is it? And the broccoli. I think this is the one. Which one is the shrimp? Shrimp, the cheese, roly-poly, chicken marsala, spinach enchilada, black bean rice. Where is it? The shrimp. Why is it? Caribbean shrimp random. Well, I have 3. Wait a minute. Caribbean chicken marsala. Cheese or the vegetarian vegetarian bolognese sauce and chopped spinach. Well, I don't understand. You get me the wrong one. Okay, see this again. Salsa verde spinach enchilada. This is the one, spinach enchilada. And this one. Okay. The one of the broccoli is the chicken masala. And I think this is the one. Oh, this is vegetarian, but I have an option to put the shrimp. You know, guys, I'm gonna cook it right away, and then the cookies for my husband. I don't know how many minutes the cookies. But they didn't give me chicken Caribbean. They give me a pre-cookies, but I don't know what time, how many minutes. Well, I still have to put this in my fridge. Put this there. By the way, guys, I'm gonna cook it right away. Masala. Oh, this is the shrimp random. I found it. Caribbean shrimp random. Let's get cooking. Okay. So this is unboxing and cooking right away. Oh, this is look good. The sauce. Oh, I have to cook the rice first. What's the rice? Wait a minute. I think this is supposed to have rice in it. Number 3. Let's split spoon and cilantro. I don't know, guys. I'm looking for the rice. Where is the rice? Well, the bad thing of this is and I don't know what is this. This is not supposed to be look like this. Oh, this. Where is the cabbage? Shrimp. Next it on the shrimp. And where is the rice? Hello. Let's please spoon the cilantro lime. See the cilantro? It's right here in the other side. They put the only downward on this is they don't put in the right box. See? Shrimp supposed to be put in the shrimp.